guys, it's your girl D, and I'm back with another recipe. In today's video, I will show you guys how to fry green tomatoes. And this is gonna be my first time also eating them. So I'm super excited. I heard it was good, but it's nothing like knowing for yourself. So these are the ingredients that I use to make my fried tomatoes. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay, to start off, I am going to season my tomatoes with salt and pepper. So you want to get your tomatoes and you want to season them front to back, front and back. I said front to back, front and back with salt and pepper. So now that our tomatoes are seasoned, we're gonna move on to prep our cornmeal. Next, you wanna take a bowl with a half a cup of yellow cornmeal, a half a cup of Prego breadcrumbs, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Had to think about it for a minute. And you want to just whisk this together. Ooh. I washed my whisk and the water dripping out. Getting all in my cornmeal and my breadcrumbs. It's okay though, it's gonna get wetter than that. So apparently my camera was not on, sorry. But you're gonna take 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of water and you're gonna mix that together. That's all I did. Next, you got a half a cup of all-purpose flour. So these are your ingredients. Now, while I was preparing all that, I had my grease over here on the stove heating up. I needed to heat up to 350 degrees. So I'm just checking this. You want to definitely make sure it's at 350 degrees because it will definitely cause you to have soggy tomatoes. So right now I am 380 something. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my tomatoes. So you want to start off with each one of your tomatoes, and you want to dip it in the flour front and back. Then you want to put it in your egg mixture front and back. Then you want to slightly dip it in your bread crumb mixture. You can just shake off any excess. And I just have a plate over here sitting to the side where I'm gonna set them at. So I'm gonna do that, and probably a little bit be easier if I just use my hand. I can move a little bit faster. Okay, so I'm just gonna check my grease again because I turned it down because I didn't want it to burn while I was prepping the tomatoes. At least 350. Ah, there we go. So we up there. So we know we good with the grease. All right. So I have another plate here with a paper towel to lay the tomatoes on once they get done. I'm gonna start with this big one right here. Let's get a small one. And you just want to fry them for a couple of minutes on each side. And you want them golden brown. I am so ready to try these. Like, I'm not nervous. I'm just curious of what they taste like. Like, I know what a regular tomato tastes like, and that's okay. Like, I'm not a tomato fan. Like, I'm not big on tomatoes, but I want to see what the hype about fried tomatoes. Different ones that I have talked to, they have said that they are good for breakfast. They like fried tomatoes for breakfast. So I'm just curious of the taste. But we'll see. I'll make sure I do that on camera for you guys. So our tomatoes, they are getting like a golden brown look. That's what you want. So let's flip them again. I'm gonna just take these up. Oh yes, they are golden brown. Look at that. Let me turn the light down so you guys can see. Look at that. We got 3 more. All right, our last batch is golden brown. You can turn your eye off at this point. Our fried green tomatoes are done. I allow them to sit for a little while on a paper towel, and I just place them on this plate. So they look good, they smell good. Now for the taste test. Don't they look good though? I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my green fried tomatoes. Like I told you, I am gonna try one. Like I said, this is my second time only making them, but I never tried them before. So I wanted to try them. So I got me one. Let's see. Okay. Not bad. The cornmeal, because it's not the flour. The cornmeal make it taste like cornbread. So that's what the impression I get from it. And I feel like I need like a little sweetness to the cornmeal, because it tastes just like cornbread. And I guess you know how cornbread can have like a little semi-sweet taste. I guess that's what I am imagining, thinking in my head. It's okay. I mean, it's nothing that I'm crazy over. You know, you guys, when I eat something and it's good, I'm like, oh my God, it's amazing. No, I don't get this from this, but it's good though. But it's nothing that I'm crazy about. Maybe if the cornmeal was had a little sugar to it or something, but it's all right. Anyways, I want to thank all of my subscribers out there that has been with me from point A to point B. Anyway, I love you guys. I truly do. Until the next time, until the next video, thanks for hanging out with D. Bye.